Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a SIM to eSIM on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now this process is really simple and easy to do. So if you have a physical SIM card, you can easily turn it into an eSIM card and you'll no longer need the physical SIM card any longer. So in order to do that, all you're going to do is go into your setting on your iPhone. From your setting, you're going to tap on cellular right here. So let's go on cellular. Now, once in your cellular, right here, you're going to see an option that says convert to eSIM. So you're going to tap on convert to eSIM right here. Now, once you click on convert to eSIM, it's going to show you your SIM and the number. And all you do is hit convert to eSIM. And that's all you need to do to convert it to eSIM. Now, keep in mind, not all carrier does support eSIM. So your carrier, if it doesn't support it, you might not see this option. But for most carriers, they do support eSIM. And it's simple as that. So that's all you need to do, and you don't need to contact your carrier or anything. If it's working, it will show up and you'll have signal and everything up top and you'll be good to go. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. I'll see you guys next time.